Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. I'm super excited to announce the upcoming Get Set Yoga Season 2. It gives me great pleasure to announce the second installment of the 8-week challenge. This time I have tried to bring a combination of full body practices, restorative and pranayama sessions for you to build stamina, rejuvenate and become stronger by the end of 8 weeks. We'll be meeting 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and practicing together. I'll see you on the first Monday of the new year. Till then, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.